light gas, keep your balance right there. It's too much, you're too much
Yeah, for sure. I know, just, yeah.
The on and off is unnecessary.
Yeah, it was like wibbly wobbly.
It's like when a soccer ball catches, you catch it with your foot. Brake, good. 1. Smooth, release. Let it roll. Now little gas in, just a little. And
Was
then
it better?
build. That was way better. Much more speed through.
Okay, let's
Brake
try to
hard,
get this
straight.
one.
Stay loaded, off brake. Light gas, 10%.
Oh, that was good. That felt better.
Way better. Tight, good. Build, upshift. Keep going, keep going. You're good. Floating back. Try to do a little less steering on some of the corners. Brake. Smooth. Release. Little gas. Keep it up. Too much play in the rear. You're sliding too much.
Too much, okay.
Brake. Harder. Downshift. Smooth in. Just a light gas. Keep your balance. And then open and build. Open and build. Open and build.
So open more, that's why you pulled this.
You don't need to steer as much and play
Got
as
it.
much.
Okay.
Brake. 1. Smooth release. Little gas. 10. Tight.
I love it.
Brake. Harder in the straight line. Now
Straight line, then
light
with
gas
your
in, just
light
10.
gas, got it.
Keep your angle. Floating back less. More. Yes. Upshift. Less.
Less?
You're forcing the understeer. Brake. Turn. Coast. Little gas. You have to. Now build. Too much curve. Up both sides. Brake. I'm going to have you do another cool down, so keep it very slow, and then we're going to exit the track on the end of the lap.
Okay.
So really, really good. Just